What is going on, guys? I am actually still at Rooney Racing, which is in Santa Cruz, California, but this whole time I have been here with this awesome couple, Lauren and Travis, and then we have, he's got like 17 nicknames, but it's like Delani, whatever you guys want to call him.
Denali.
It's Denali, like, I guess like the country. Oh my God.
But he's like, I can't do that.
Oh no, that's staying in.
Hi.
I don't know if you guys just saw the look that Lauren gave me, but I thought she was
Denali
ready to
National
murder
Park
me.
from
Denali National Park?
In
I was thinking like Denali, like the car, the van.
Oh.
I'm here with Lauren and Travis. I went the other way. And they are going to show us their Sprinter van right now. I've been with them for an entire month and I haven't even showed your van off yet. We're going to do all that now. And of course, their wonderful dog, Denali. Long story about that. Hey guys, what's up?
What's up?
You obviously I already introduced you, but I got Travis on the right and Lauren on the left, and I'm gonna say one of his nicknames, Dewani. What do you guys got for a van?
This is a 2016 170 Mercedes Sprinter, and it's actually the 4-cylinder 7-speed.
Have some big solar on your roof. We've talked about this a lot, but obviously the audience doesn't know about it.
Solar's decent, not as big as we, can do nowadays.
I know, right?
But we do have 3 180-watt grape solar panels.
Nice.
Courtesy of Tiny Watts.
I heard a rumor that, were you Tiny Watts' first client?
Guilty.
Yep.
Yeah, we came across
OG.
Tiny Watts early on in their business venture, and they were so willing to help us through the unknown and crazy world of electrical and solar
There you go.
installation. So it was awesome.
Now you've become such good friends. One of you is technically working for them.
Yeah, good friends.
Yeah, and Lauren, you're shooting their wedding.
Yeah, in Kauai, September.
September. Lauren,
close.
you're a professional photographer.
I am. Yep.
Lauren Fletcher Photography.
We shoot adventure elopements, traveling in our van.
There you go.
Yeah.
And
Awesome.
yeah, you pretty much travel all over for that.
Yeah.
Check her out, laurenfletcherphotography.com, because her stuff is amazing. You guys, show me your van, please. We're gonna step on inside, and you guys are gonna walk me through it, if that's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
This is our kitchen, galley. Our fridge is down here. We have them on casters because first time we left,
So pretty much you learned the
just
hard way.
slid open. Yeah.
Okay.
Drawer face fell off. All of it.
I think that's like a van life passage, right? Like we have to all go through that.
Oh yeah, it's
absolutely.
pretty hilarious.
It's the fridge freezer combo, right?
Yeah, so this is the Dometic. I think it's the 65, and it's the dual zone.
Oh,
so you can
you guys
use
are
it.
stocked up.
We are so
Yeah.
Holy crap!
Yeah, we are. Yeah, CFX 65 dual zone. So you can use it as one large fridge or one large freezer, but they also give you this one separator section that you can make the freezer when these two sections are in fridge mode.
How many amp hours of battery do you have? I don't think we went over that.
We have
You have a
just
lot.
over 600, but it's AGM. So around 300 usable.
There you go. That's good stuff. That's plenty.
Plenty.
This guy, he is crazy.
He's jacked
He
up right
loves
now.
his house.
I'm gonna ask you guys a question because I'm interested to know myself. How do you like the counters on both sides?
That's a good question. We have been doing a lot of thinking about layouts, and we kind of did this layout because we had seen that it had worked for a lot of people, and at the beginning of our van build thought process, Lauren actually wanted to be able to host clients and friends, and
Yeah.
that's why we made a nice big kitchen area for prepping food, and we have a stove top that we use. It's a camper stove, so we need space for that when we're cooking.
Perfect.
But I think
good though, like prepping over here and cooking here.
Yeah,
We're not
prepping there,
bumping into
cooking
each
here.
other.
Right.
When we're doing the same.
so. It
at the
is
same
very
time.
convenient.
Really
a little
easy.
too much space though, I think.
You
Yeah,
think?
We're ready to downsize.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys want to go down to Jarrod's 144?
Jared's 144.
It has to be
I want
good, so
Ghost version
Yeah,
2.
144.
Well,
Yeah.
it'll be version 3, I guess.
I guess they're
2.0
technically-
is happening.
Yeah.
2.0 is happening now, but you guys have the 170-inch wheelbase, so it's like, I mean, we got a lot of room back here,
Yeah.
and that's your whole bed in the back and everything else, but we can finish off what's going on in the kitchen if you'd like.
Lauren's like little plant area up here. We try to keep the succulents alive.
Try to.
Food's up here
You
and
kept
up
an-
here.
You kept an open shelf.
Yeah, we tried to do that. We actually wanted to do it a third time, but you'll see as you come to the back, we have a second open shelf.
I do see that.
Because
way back
Lauren
there.
really likes her open shelving.
I like it.
It's
All right.
nice.
like
It breaks it up. Otherwise, it looks, you know, kind of this side. We wish we had done another open one too. We just haven't gotten around to making that change. And
Right.
if you look, it's just, you know, it's just like a wall of storage, which is great.
You have 2 factory windows, one on each
Yeah,
side.
this is a crew, actually. I didn't say that. But
Okay.
It is the crew model. So
Cool.
it does come with the factory windows on each side here up front.
And the rear
The
ones.
rear ones. And then we added these, you know, the pill-shaped ones. in the back.
Pill-shaped ones, yeah.
That's
You
what I
love
call
calling it the
I
pill
don't-
shape.
They just look like pills.
Yeah, they're on sliders. They are convenient, and then you have a dual fan. You don't see many
Oh,
vans have the dual fan.
Gotta have 2 fans. It's awesome.
One in the back, one in the front, and you guys have your whole bed system back here.
Yes.
Big U shape.
Oh yeah. We fit 8 people and 3 dogs in here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Comfortably.
whoa, whoa, whoa! 8 people?
Yes. 8 people and 3 dogs in here.
That
and
was
it
with-
was
That was with,
Dynamo Ultima.
yeah, Lexi
Check
and
them
Cody.
out.
Yeah, there you go.
And their pup Zero.
Yep.
And then Kyle and Lindsay were with us, right?
Luella the van.
Yeah, Luella the van.
Okay.
And then
And then some other friends.
Marie Vanderpool. She's another elopement photographer. Check her
Nice.
work out too. She's awesome.
Look at that. You plugging other elopement photographers.
She's amazing. Her work is
That was
fantastic.
very nice of you. I will step back and I will show you guys as like your color scheme is just like a natural wood color with a white, which is just so light and airy, and you went with a light floor, which is phenomenal.
We were
Yeah,
afraid
sure.
to go dark because it was a small space, but
Yeah.
now that we've lived in this, we think it would be cool to play with some darker natural
Yeah.
woods.
Word on the street is these 2 cats are selling their van.
Yep.
They literally just told me this. They're like, hey, Jarrod, we're going to be selling our van. And I was like, let's throw a tour of them up here.
Yeah.
So they're selling their van, so hit them up. What's the best way to get in contact with you?
Maybe they have to email you, Jarrod.
Oh,
no, I'm just kidding.
F that.
No.
Yeah, you guys.
We can do communication through our Instagram. Our Instagram handle is Our Viewfinder, or we can do, you know,
Email.
Lauren's Instagram or
Yeah.
email.
Just
Super
message
easy
them.
to find us.
Hopefully we answer all the questions you have, so you don't inundate them with a crap load of questions.
Yeah.
But this van is for sale. It's a really good deal. I know this because I'm standing in it right now. Duh. All right, let's go back to the tour.
This
turn to
space, actually, at the beginning of our van build design.
I'm gonna sit down.
Go ahead,
I'm gonna
sit.
sit down at your wonderful
Make yourself
table.
comfortable.
I am
so
comfortable.
We thought that we wanted
I know,
a
right?
shower. Got to the point in our build where we were like, we don't have time to do a shower. We need to go. It never turned into a shower, obviously, but we haven't really needed it.
Is it shower ready?
No, it's not waterproofed walls. There's no pan. So it just became additional storage, and we threw our little porta potty in here.
I love those porta potties. I have the same one.
And then we store some extra water in here, some extra fresh water just in case.
Speaking of fresh water, how big is your awesome tank?
You know what's funny is we were talking about this last night and I had to look it up because I forgot. But I'm pretty sure it's 25 gallons and it's stored right under this bench here.
Yeah, and you have your electrical underneath me?
Yeah, electrical's underneath you, all of our batteries, our inverter,
Charge controller.
breakers.
Yeah, there you
Charge
go.
controller's actually up here because I wanted to be able to see it, but I never look at it because I can check everything I need to check right here with my
look at
inverter
you.
screen.
Look at you with all your little fancy
Yeah,
contraptions.
Little outlet. Inverter
All for you
light
being next to the
switches.
bed, yeah.
Lots of electrical right here at the bed, exactly. It's convenient.
Wait, word on the street again. This is a long street, okay? You guys sleep across.
Well,
It depends how slanted it
it
is.
depends on where we are.
So you can sleep across, and now because it's such a massive bed, you can literally
Yeah.
sleep
So-
in any direction you want.
Yeah. Normally we sleep this way.
Yeah, we do sleep lengthwise when it works out.
This guy's joining me.
There's no reason not to. You know, we can
Yeah.
spread out. I mean, it's nearly a king-size bed in here. Between the two of us and the dog, we all have our own space.
Yeah, you got
But
plenty
lately,
of it.
living in Santa Cruz, we've had to kind of
Yeah.
like
Streets are
street
very
hop,
uneven.
and sometimes they're a little slanty, so we'll sleep side to side if we have to.
The beautiful city of Santa Cruz.
Yeah.
We love the city. We won't get into that. What'd you use in your walls? Like what type of?
This is just 1/4 inch. It's just 1/4 inch tongue and groove.
It's a 1/4 inch tongue and groove.
Yep.
Cool.
It's not the cedar one though. It's the pine.
Oh, it's pine
Same with the ceiling. The ceiling's actually exactly the same material that's on the walls. We just decided to paint the walls.
Oh, there you go. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
For everybody out there that doesn't understand this, white is used in vans quite often because of space.
Just makes it look a little bit bigger.
It does.
It gets dirty.
But it does
dirty.
get dirty.
And the pine, you know,
You guys have
shows
a lot
it's
of
not.
light in here too. I didn't realize you had the under the cabinet lighting.
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of lights. I wanted to have a lot of individual circuits, so I actually have 5. That's why there's 3 dimmer switches here and there's 2 up front. So when you enter the van, you can pop the lights on from pretty much here forward.
Yeah.
And then from here back, we've got these are on their own circuit. And then these overhead are on their own circuit. And then the bathroom is this 3rd one.
So you try to divide up the space almost with lights.
Exactly. I didn't want to be jumping in the van and hit a switch and brah, full
Yeah.
blast
Yeah.
every time. Being able to dim the lights in the van is money.
It helps with the stealth.
Yeah,
It helps with
absolutely.
stealth. It helps with like setting the mood. Like we're in our home. I don't want like bright light at, you know, late at night.
Oh no, you did not just give us the doggy head tilt, did you?
Hi to your fans. Hello, fans.
Where are you? Friends?
He has his own Instagram, which it's obvious. He needs one.
Oh, yeah.
He's a model dog. I was lucky enough to be here for his first birthday.
Yeah, it was his first birthday recently.
Yeah, I'll throw up a picture of that because that picture was cool. By the way, I'm gonna just point this out. You have a really cool sleeve tattoo, Lauren.
Oh, thank you.
I've always wanted a sleeve, but I just never had the cool harness to do it.
Me neither.
Are you right? It's
at me.
like, I know. I'm so bare.
Bare as can be.
You guys are very, very active. Like, extremely active. Now, you said the van is going to be up for sale. What are your future plans? Like, what are your plans until possibly it sells, or it's about to be summertime for us, or where are you going? What you doing?
So when we finally leave Santa Cruz, because we've been here for
It's
a
this
month,
week. We're all leaving
we
this
love
week.
you, Wes and Sad,
Yes.
but we're excited to
know.
leave and hit the road. We're going to the Tetons,
Yep.
right? We're going for VanLife Diaries gathering.
Oh, nice.
And
I don't know if this video will come out before that, but we'll see.
yeah, it'll probably come out after. But
Right after.
anyways, I'm
fine.
going up there. Lauren's gonna be taking some photos of some cool couples, and I've been working with the VanLife app for the past couple months now, so we're doing our vision meeting and we're helping Van Project and VanLife Diaries and gonna rep the
We're
VanLife
doing
app.
a Leave No Trace workshop too.
Oh, that's right.
We're
We
gonna
are
be
doing-
certified.
Yeah.
Leave No Trace.
Yep.
Because Leave No Trace works with, or VanLife app, I should say, works with Leave No
Yep.
Trace.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
And 2 of our members that work for the VanLife app are Leave No Trace master teachers now. So
Oh, wow.
we have the opportunity to learn from the best.
You guys are going to be traveling a lot, pretty much all around the Pacific Northwest, if I'm not
So
correct.
we're gonna go up to the Tetons and then hit Glacier National Park to
Yep.
Canada, Banff, Jasper, Vancouver, and then we'll come through Seattle. And we have a bunch of friends in Portland.
I'm super comfortable in your van, guys, by the
Isn't
way.
it?
It's
Like,
nice.
Awesome.
It's like,
Yeah.
I'm not too close to you guys at all. I'm across a big table, which we're going to show how we get this table into a bed.
Yeah.
Think we can do that?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm going to get out.
Well, you can go that way. Yeah.
What's cool about this table is you're on a pedestal that I actually am familiar with because my brother has it in his van.
Yeah, a lot of people were using these when we were doing our van build, so I was just sold immediately.
What's it? Do you know what's it called? It's just a telescoping leg, right?
I can't remember the brand. But yeah, it is just telescoping. Super easy to use. Goes right down. Ours is nice and snug, which I really like. So it doesn't like just fall on down. You kind of gotta play with it. But when it's down,
I mean, that
down.
took you all of, I don't know,
and then
20 seconds?
Lauren's got the magic.
the
We have
filler.
this little filler piece.
And you just have that, stored behind one of your seats?
Yeah, we just keep it
keep it
behind
back.
the driver's seat.
Behind our driver's seat.
That's perfect.
And that just goes right in. And then, you know, standard bed stuff. Cushions down.
No top sheet. VanLife Hack 101.
Yeah, right.
I mean, you guys
Jump in
separated
here.
the spaces
Look.
so nicely.
Look at this.
Oh, look who just shows up!
Happy dog, happy dog, happy dog, happy dog.
You guys want to say hello to everybody? Why don't you guys come around to the side door?
We just walk around with ladders,
Look at this.
Yeah.
Now we're at
just saving cats from high trees.
Okay. Yeah, your whole 6-foot ladder. Yeah.
We're done with the consultation.
Wes and Savannah, how did it go?
Good. I think that dude's more stealth than you, man.
Should we throw him a shout out on here?
I think so.
All right, throw it. Okay, you
Fun
can.
you.
Fun you,
Shout
man.
out. That's the stealthest camper in all of the Bay Area.
Fun you, man. He found us randomly on Santa Cruz Beach.
Watches all your videos and like everything we
He's
said.
the man.
He was like, yeah, I've seen that video. Like, oh yeah, no, I've seen that in the video.
He was a really cool guy.
Look at this van. This van, guys.
Killing it on this whole plant program, you know,
Okay.
like
I
they got
mean-
the vibes in here,
Yeah.
some dimmers.
They got the Gucci ride.
So I stepped out of their van, and you guys have a ton of storage. There's
Lots.
2 of you in here.
Lots of storage. We actually learned that.
We
That's
didn't
kind of why we're talking about selling in the next van, because we are happy to downsize. But this thing has tons of storage.
It does, and you guys obviously housed 25 gallons. You got plenty of electrical,
absolutely.
and then you have plenty of room to spare. Like you're not even touching your cabinets when it comes to storing what I just said, water and electrical. So it's like I didn't realize until I walked back outside the van. Maybe because it's just deceiving.
Yeah, it can be. I mean, we are deceived by it a lot. Some of the last 2 in our overheads on
Yeah.
both sides.
We don't ever touch.
We don't even open them.
Yeah.
So we forget that sometimes we have all this great storage to use, and sometimes the van can look like a total wreck because van life.
Yeah.
You know,
Well, anybody in VanLife should know this. That we have to clean our vans at least once a day.
doesn't take long,
Once a day,
but it has to
that's
happen
so-
often.
yeah.
Yeah.
Especially with a dog.
That might have been the longest time I've ever been in your van.
Yeah, and we met you 3 months ago, or maybe 2 months ago, at the VanLife app.
At the VanLife
launch.
app gathering, we
Yeah.
met, and I actually told you guys I was coming here, and then we actually held off the tour until I came here because we knew we were going to be with each other, and they're sick of me. Let's face it, they're
No.
tired of me. But I'm going to do my build. They're going to stay up in the Pacific Northwest. Please hit them up if you guys, number 1, want the van. Number 2, if you guys want to see some awesome photos, somebody I know.
Yeah, we're gonna be traveling most of this summer. We said it already,
Yeah.
but Tetons Glacier National Park,
We'll have our travel dates up on my website.
Yep.
So if
Lauren
you
Fletcher
guys
Photography.
Pacific
want to
Northwest,
book a
Canada,
shoot, yeah,
book
we're
a
gonna be
shoot.
everywhere.
Come
Yeah,
hang out with us.
are you booked up all summer, or
Nope, we have some dates.
you have some dates
Yep.
available, and that your whole calendar's on your website?
Yep.
Yeah,
Everything's up
so
there.
so you can book directly with her. You do intense elopements. Actually, I want to say she booked a cool ass elopement in a year from now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
The New Hampshire one.
yeah.
Yeah, we're hiking Cannon.
You're hiking 4,000 feet up.
Yep.
Yeah,
Cannon
Cannon
Mountain
Mountain.
in New Hampshire.
Yeah.
We're gonna be hiking with the couple and photographing it's their last 4,000 foot New Hampshire mountain.
That's
They've
pretty
done them all
cool.
together,
Yep. So it's the last one they're gonna get married on.
So yeah, reach out to us this summer. We're gonna be
Yeah.
all over the map, and we'd love to photograph.
Yep. And if you want to
Some
see our
awesome
van
couples.
too, just let us know.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're open
We're
to that,
down.
right?
Yeah. Doors always
Always.
open.
Create that ad so I can put it in the damn link in the below.
Oh yeah. Bam!
Bam! She did it better
was
than
it.
me. That's it for now. We're gonna go back. We actually have to go back to work, don't we?
Yeah, back to Tiny Watts.
Or-
Well, someone's actually gonna be going drinking. But I'm not gonna say which out of the 3 of us, but we can all pretty much guess.
All 3 of us.
I do want all 3 of us to go. Actually, we're missing the Bruins game
I
right now.
know,
The
we
Bruins
gotta
are
watch
in
the
the
game. We gotta watch the game.
All right, guys. See you later. Say bye to Travis and Lauren.
Bye.
Guys.